welcome back to Craft the Stars. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make mini shampoos, or like actual shampoo, out of beads. So, the first thing you're going to need is beads, of course. I have this beaded bag with beads inside the bag. And you'll also need maybe scissors. You can keep that by your side just in case. Probably sharp scissors. And glue. I'm using like this fabric glue. I don't think you should use fabric glue unless you're using fabric. But I don't recommend this for this craft. But it's the only glue I have by my side right now. So yeah, you shouldn't use fabric glue, but like you shouldn't use fabric glue. So I guess that's pretty much all we need, unless you want some sparkly glues, and you can decorate and top it off, like these. You're gonna have these glues. I don't know if they're gonna stick to use them, but you can also use these kind of glues to decorate your slime, not slime, not slime. Decorate your little shampoos. So let's get started. We're gonna get the beads. If you ever, this is how you. These things are kind of hard to open, so I'll try my best to open this. Okay, there you go. Put them on the table. This is a pretty bad idea. Some of them are not just beads. They're also like earrings and stuff. You can use earrings if you want. Just if you want. You can also have the charms by your side. I have my charms over there, my other charms and stuff, and all my decorations. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at these beads and earrings. So this is a very nice bead. I'm probably gonna use this bead, and then I'm gonna try to use something to top this off with. Maybe you can use this tea bead. Let me see how that looks. Do you think that looks okay? And it even has a little logo at the top. So, just find the bead you want and then just glue it on top. This probably won't stay. Probably hot glue will be the best choice. Where did it go? I dropped it. There it is. So that was my short tutorial of how to make these. They just plop it on top. Okay, that's a very short tutorial. Then I'll show you how to make one. I'll also show you how to make one with an earring. I'm not going to use the actual earring. I'm going to use some like earrings without piercings. I can show you. They sound like there's a clip-on earrings. I'm going to use clip-on earrings. So I'm just trying to use the clip-on earrings. These are very, very delicate ones, so like they're easy to bend and ruin and stuff. So I'm going to try to get this off. If you can't get it off properly, you can always make it into. I'm using this, and look, you have to make that into like a thing. Look, it's a little lamp, a little shower thing, and then you can get a bead. See, this is a little lamp. You can actually glue on like a little light if you want, or I just see if it stands up. Yep. Or you can just put a bead on the end. Probably a light bead would probably do the trick. A light small bead like this. But I'm going to leave it how it is. Yeah, I'm going to leave it how it is. So that's a short tutorial on that. So ready? I'm going to show you how to make, now I'm going to show you how to make one with this. So of course, for this, I think you'll need a big bead. something like this. Maybe something like you put in your hair or something. And then let's go find one. Yeah, like this. You can find anything you want. I really like the cherry, so I'm gonna use this heart for a demonstrator. So let's see. A big bead is good because you can usually fit this thing in the end like that, and you can put that like there. And it also makes little stands for it too. And then you gotta try to push it through. Try to bend it first. Bend it backwards. The bending backwards part is kind of a hard part. There we go. I'll put in. Do this. There we go. And that's how you make it. See you later on this short tutorial. See ya.